Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Rachel. For anyone who's new here, then hello and welcome. So today I have just done this festival neon. I see like neon trend is like been about for a while, and do you know what? I just had to do a neon festival look. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please just keep on watching. So to start off with, I'm going to go with my Plouise makeup base in the shade 01, which is going to be really light on me this time actually because I am tanned. But I'm just going to take a bit of that onto my finger and I'm just going to press that in. I kind of like using this with my finger now. I was kind of brush patting it in, but no, I kind of like it with my finger. I feel like it just is a bit softer to use. Oh my god, it's such a nightmare when you've got nails on. Trying to get to that inner corner. I'm just going to do the same on the other side. And for this look, I'm going to go in with the James Charles by Morphe palette. So I am just going to go in with this shade right here. I should know the names, but I don't know the names. Pinkety Drinkety. Those names are so funny. I'm just going to take that on a really big fluffy brush and I'm just going to work that into my crease. I'm not going to take this one too high up. I'm just really going to keep it really in that crease area. Okay, so this is a super light pink, which is just not what we're going for. Okay, so then on a flat brush, I'm going to take this pink shade right here, which is called Skip. And hopefully this is really vibrant. I'm just going to press that all over the lid. Damn, she pink. So I'm just going to take a smaller fluffy brush, just a MAC 221, and I'm just going to go into that shade again and just go right in the crease and just diffuse that into that lighter pink. And just when there is a little bit left on the brush, just start taking that up. And it doesn't really need to be like super neat, because we will go in with that large fluffy brush again and just really help diffuse out all the edges. So just back into Pinkety Drinkety and just over that. And actually I'm just going to like flick it out a little bit. And then just take your darker, well, your more vibrant pink, the Skip, and also just start pulling that slightly out. And taking a baby wipe, I'm just going to wipe all the underneath of my eye and just wing that up and out. Give it a wee bit of shape. Now, to make the eyes a little bit more neon, I'm going to go with my Helen Pigment, and this is just the neon pink. And I am just going to open that up very carefully. So I'm just going to take that flat brush again. I'm just going to take the tiniest amount and just like stamp that on. And I'm just actually going to use the edge of this brush just to fluff it up. So see how that just took it a little bit more like neon. Oh my god, it just takes it to like a whole new world. And I actually think with these neon colours, I saw that somebody mentioned Annie Cherry mentioned about she kind of saw that everyone was having trouble with them like kind of cracking, like not looking as like smooth, and the Helen E actual stage primer works so good under them, which kind of makes sense. It's a Helen E product, but I don't actually have any here at the minute, so I've just gone with the Plouise and I've just done it like all over, and I created the base with the pink, so it's not such a big deal. I do have some crack, like I do have some kind of weird bit on this eye, but do you know what, it's totally not really that noticeable. Not really. Okay, how annoying is it when you buy something new and there's that like cellophane that you can't fucking get into? How annoying is that? Like, anyone? So I'm not actually going to put any shadow on my lower lash line because I want this to look a little bit different. Okay, so this is the NYX Off Tropic Pro Liners, and this is in the shade Happy Hour. These swatched amazing on my hands, so I was like, gotta try. So I'm just going to take that and put it into my waterline. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's so nice. That is like super pink. Okay, so that looks freaking awesome. So this actually comes in quite a few colours. I think it's like 8. I also got the shade So Fresh, which I think is like a minty blue colour. So I'm excited to use that one as well. For mascara, I'm just going to go in with the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara and just give my eyelashes a good thick coat. And for lashes, today I'm going to use the Tatti Lash in the style TL3s. And these are super good because they are quite like spiky, they've got like spaces in between, so you're going to get like that neon like flashing through. And for lash glue, I do always use the Eldora lash glue. It is just my fave. I absolutely love and adore this glue. It has honestly never failed me. So I'm going to finish off the kind of top part of the eye by applying my little stars. Now these are the Fantasy Queen of Stars by actually Superdrug, and I think the whole pot was like £2 or something like that. So I'm just going to use tweezers and lash glue for this. I'm just going to take one little star, apply some lash glue. Oh my god, this is tough stuff. And I'm just going to place where I want the star to go. And I think that looks super cute, just having the 3 stars there, and we'll do like a little bit more later on. So we're going to move on to the face now. And for primer, I'm going to use the Henrikson Banana Bright Face Primer. So good for keeping your makeup on and just for like hydrating and keeping your skin really, really glowy throughout the day. It's just such a good primer. It has like vitamin C and it has the banana powder inspired pigment. So you know, like your banana powders that you get that are like yellow, it's got that kind of already infused in it. It's great. For foundation today, I'm going to try the new... For foundation today, I'm going to go in with the new Revlon Phtotoready Candid Foundation. I've got the shade 270, which is medium beige. I do not know what this is going to be like, so it might be too dark, it might be too light. I think it might actually be too light. Said me never. Oh, it's actually not bad. Oh, this is okay. That is nice. I really, really like that. And we all know that like festivals, Coachella are like major photograph opportunities. So if this claims to be Phtotoready, then I'm so down. Is anyone going to any festivals this year? Did anyone go to Coachella? Or is anyone at Coachella right now? And the thing that I already know and love about this foundation is that it's not drying. Like, I feel like there's like a glow to this, which is, I mean, it could be kind of the primer working with it, but this to me feels like a really, really great combination. And I have pink in my hair. Oh, it's a thread. I don't wear anything pink except for makeup. For concealer, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. I feel like I've not really been able to put this down. I did go and get it in a darker shade. I got medium beige because the two other shades that I had, which weren't like the lightest ones, were really, really light. Like, I was actually like surprised at how light they were. Oh, and now I'm surprised at how dark this is. Great. I'm going to take some of the light beige and just go over so that I end up with a bit of a mix. And I can take that right up under the eye because there is no shadow. Oh, and I totally should not have done this because I remember from last time this stuff sets really quick. I do like the finish that I've got from this. It's full coverage and it is quite glowy. I think there's still like kind of a sheen there, which I like. But to set, I'm going to go in with the Coty Airspun Loose Powder. This is the first time I'm using this. Okay, so I'm just going to take my kind of normal sort of like powder brush. And this one is translucent. I'm just going to set. Oh, it's got that powder. You know, that old school powder smell. It's not bad though. Oh god, that's really nice. Okay, so I actually really, really like this combination. I like the finish of this. It doesn't feel tight, but it feels set. Not tight, but set. Thumbs up. For bronzer today, I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty in Private Island. I think I'm actually going to pick up a lighter shade of this when I'm in Harvey Nichols. But I'm just going to go in with this one just now. It worked pretty well when I was like at my palest, so it should be fine now. So I'm just going to stamp that into the skin. And obviously because this is festival, you're going to hope it's sunny, so I do want that sort of really bronzed. So I'm not going to do a blusher today, so I just really want this to be like super bronzy, so I'm just going to kind of take my bronzer just up onto my cheeks. For highlighter, I'm going to go with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy collab. So I'm just going to go into that and just highlight the crap out of my face. Oh my god. And I don't know what it is, but I just love highlight on when I've got more of a tan. There's just something so much better about it. So I'm just going to literally finish off the eyes by just popping on a little bit of Loreal mascara. Making them just thick black. For my brows, I'm just going to go in with my Browjam pomade in Darkside, and I'm just going to really lightly fill them in. I'm actually wanting kind of lighter brows now, and so I'm just going to really, really lightly fill in. And to set my brow hairs in place, I'm going to go with the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. This is just a clear gel that literally glues your brow hairs down. It's so good in all ways. And for my lip colour, I am going to go in with the Jeffree Star in Mannequin, which is like a bit of a go-to right now. And yeah, I totally love like how nude that lip is. Okay, right, so for finishing touches, oh, I'm so excited and nervous. So I'm going to go in with the NYX White Liquid Liner. And this is where we don't breathe because this stuff's scary. So I'm just going to create 2 lines over my nose, like a smaller line, and like get somewhere to rest for this because my god. And then I'm going to create just a line kind of going up the way. And then just a line right down the centre of my lip. And then I also want to do just a little like dot here. Just at the bottom of my eyes. Okay, and then I'm going to take my little stars again, and I'm just going to put the stars just underneath those wee dots. And I'm also going to add a star just right at the top of that because I kind of like that vibe. For my body, I'm going to apply some of the Utan X Jamie Genevieve Skin Idol, and it is the Face and Body Bronzer Instant Phtotoready Skin Finish. So, don't mind if I do. So I'm just going to apply this, I think, with my hands, because I think that's how she said to apply. Oh my gosh. Oh, so there's like a nice kind of difference there. And I'll just apply a little bit to the other side. I'm going to zoom you guys out just a little bit. Okay. Oh, that's glowy. Okay, and then I'm going to highlight also like the areas because it's still a little bit tacky, so it'll probably stick really, really nice. I'm going to take a bigger highlighting brush, and I'm just really going to, oh my god. I'm just really going to pack this on. Oh my god. Okay, so it's definitely gone on like better in the areas where we've got Skin Idol. That's for sure. So guys, this is the final look. I have popped on my little necklaces. So I've just got my little dainty star necklace, my little Rachel, and my little lock that I absolutely love. All these are from the M Jewelers. Just super cute and nice to wear, goes with everything. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. If you're going to a festival this year, leave a little tent emoji down below and I can be super, super jealous of you. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!